Want your face cam in a perfect circle like a pro YouTuber? Then I will show you how to do it in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to crop your camera in a circle using CapCut on your PC. This is great for tutorial videos, gaming, or just give your video a new look. So let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut. I have got two clips here. One is like a video normally and another that is similar to webcam. Now drag them onto this timeline and make sure your webcam is above your screen clip. Now all you have to do is select your webcam clip, then go to video sections on the right panel, then select marks and click add marks. And all you have to do is select circle and this will create a round marks around your webcam, and make the circle marks as big as you want just by using this corner to resize it until you center the circle on your face. Once you're happy with the marks, now we have to move the whole webcam into this corner. So for that, all you have to do is go to basic, then scale it down like this, and now all you have to do is drag it here. And now you will see these XYZ options. You can just change this amount if you want, and even if you like, you can zoom in or out by dragging this corner until you think it's look perfect. Now that's it. Your face cam is now in a circle and it's look like clean and pro.